Welcome to Return of the Ford, right here on Project Sullivan.
My name's Gilbert.
And I'm Gogo.
And today we're going to take our 1996 Ford F250 and do a transmission service on it.
I got ATF freaking everywhere.
Come with us on this journey of how to get this thing a daily driver.
All right here on this week's episode of Project Sullivan.
Return of the Ford, yeah, huh?
Might become Spider-Man today. There's a bunch of spiders under here. Hopefully one of them's radioactive.
It's on! It'll run!
Do you know what time it is? It's time for one to run. Works 100% of the time, sometimes.
The seat's got its expansion slot missing for your leg to fit better.
Right here, the one and done didn't have enough power to get it over the hill, so we had to pop it in a four-wheel drive. On the plus side, we know the four-wheel drive works.
Me and that buzzer had a little bit of a discussion and we decided it shouldn't buzz no more.
Wow, look at that rust! Holy rust, Batman!
I'm gonna miss that screw. And for the low price of $750, we can sell you our specially designed tool.
Let's use the world's biggest hammer. Okay, when you take this pan off, it's gonna dump.
I figured.
So you need to get the drain pan under here.
Can't reach that.
It has begun! You know what pisses me off about the whole thing? What? We didn't get on camera. It's like, it's okay to screw up, just make sure it's on camera. Grandpa. I told him, hey, doesn't matter, you always get ATF every damn where anyway when you do this. No you don't. Well, how are you not gonna get ATF everywhere? You just gotta make sure you got a big pan. The size of the vehicle.
Wonder if you can get that.
Up, up, up.
I really put my heart into it.
Okay, let's put the GoPro back. Can you just turn this valve back on a little?
It smells like vinegar. It smells like pickle juice.
Yeah, it's a pretty good spot. Is it getting on that concrete anywhere?
Yeah, in the front.
A few moments later.
About how to treat them. Hold on, let me drain it a little.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. Just stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to.
If there's a better way to pull a drain pan on a transmission that doesn't get transmission fluid everywhere, leave a comment in the comment below. Cause this is how legends are made.
Oh crap, oh crap.
Let's hope it does that.
That's what a transmission looks like?
So, we got this cleaned up. We gotta go get it, put back on. Let's check our transmission filter, Gogo. That looks pretty good. Turn it sideways.
This one's on.
Definitely the right one.
Okay, that'll work.
Okay, see there's a little pan here.
Go first, Dad.
No. And this goes right inside. We have to put the gasket in too. We can't let it fall inside of it. Otherwise we're gonna have to start all over every time. What you want to do is you want to put just a couple of threads in it. Let it hang down until all the bolts are in. We're just where they barely start to touch, right? All the way around.
Why?
Because if you tighten these up way too much, they squeeze out the gasket on certain transmissions, and then it creates a transmission leak and ruins the gasket. So we're just snugging these up right now. Now tighten your side, one in the corner.
This one?
Yeah, just one of them in the corner. We're doing it like tires in a star pattern. Now this side. Now I'm gonna go down to the next one in line.
You might have to reach that bottom one on my side.
This one?
Yeah.
The perfect torque is to have your hands covered in ATF. Use a bit driver so it slips.
Well, I've succeeded that. Analysis camera.
See. Check our tranny fluid, and there isn't any.
Jeez, I wonder why.
How could that possibly be?
Good thing I came prepared for this type of situation. Here, Dad.
Oh, you're not prepared to hold that?
Well,
Where's the tranny fluid?
somewhere. Right?
So you're not prepared for that either?
No!
What was it exactly you were prepared for?
I had a funnel. This is how Fords are made.
Let's start with 4 quarts and then we'll check it. I'm pretty sure we're gonna put all of them, almost all of them though. Is that empty?
Yeah. Neil. Whoa, that was filled. It's hurting.
Okay, we have 4 quarts going in. What's the next step after this, Gogo?
Cry ourselves to sleep.
We gotta check and see if we have enough. So let's take the funnel out. Get your dipstick. He gonna do one more. He gonna do one more. will subscribe.
What's the point in not hitting the subscribe button? It's free.
So, we got our transmission service done on our 1996 Ford F250.
If you guys have any way not to get ATF everywhere, please post it down in the comments.
There'll be a link down below for our Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter.
And if you guys want to see the last episode that this Ford was in, it's also going to be down in the description.
And should be right here on the screen somewhere. See you next week.
Right here on Project Sullivan.